Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel. सगळ्यांक तुमकां देव बरी सांस म्हणटा आनी येवकार दिता माझ्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. So today I am showing you all my mom's recipe, simple green pork meat. Okay, simple. So this is half kg. Now I have taken very few fat, that was like small piece of fat, and the remaining is without bones, without fat, but you can take whatever you want. तर हांवें न्ही अर्दो किलो मांस घेतला म्हाज्या मायची रेसिपी आनी ती सिंपल वेन कोत्ता हे ग्रीन आनी आमकां चड बरें लागता. हें ल्हान आसतना पासून कोत्ताली. सो हांवें एक धाकटूसो कुडको चोरबेचो घेतला. ओके, आनी बाकीचे सगळे बोनलेस, चोरोप ना. प्रेशर कुकरान हांवें उकोळला हें आनी हांवें तेका हें जिंजर गार्लीक पेस्ट लायलेली 1 कुलेर, धाकटे कुलेर 1 कुलेर, विनाक घातलेली 2 कुलेरां आनी मीठ घातलेलें आनी प्रेशर कुकरान 2 कोपां उदक घालून हांवें ते 6 विसल मारलेल्यो. ओके, 6 विसल. मागीर तेका हांवें बरें कातुरलें. तुमकां कातरून बॉयल करा तो आख्खे करा तुमचेर आसा. सो हे आमकां हें जाय. मागीर एक आमकां प्याव जाय. सो this meat I have to tell in English also. So this meat I had marinated before when it was raw. Now this is boiled. So when it was raw I marinated with ginger garlic paste, that is around 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and 2 tablespoons of vinegar, and you take water like 2 cups of water, salt to taste. Okay, and then you have to boil this. So you can marinate this overnight, or you can just apply everything and cook it in the pressure cooker for 6 whistles. Fine. Then we need 1 onion sliced like this. Now these are the whole masalas which I am going to crush in this. So here it is like, it's like 1 teaspoon of pepper. So if you count, it is like 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 30, around 30 of peppercorn. Then these are around 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of cloves. These are the pieces of whole turmeric. So it's like half teaspoon of whole turmeric, or so much. And this is like, I have made this small pieces of half, okay, of cinnamon, and this will go to fry. Then these are 3 Goan chilies. You can use Kashmiri chilies, and this I will be garnishing this. So now let's make this into fine powder. You can use your mixer, but my mother does this. So हे मातशें अशें कुटून घेयात. माझी माय न्हू अशी कुटोयता, कुटोवन घालता ती. तुमकां जाय जाल्यार तुमच्यांनी मिक्सर पूण उजार करूं येता, पूण हे जेन्ना ह्यो मसालो हेका शिजता तेन्ना लागता न्हू, तेन्ना तो बरो आरोमा येता आनी खऱ्यांनीच बरो लागता. तर हे तुमी कुटून घ्या बरे भशेन. ह्यो इतलो मोठो आसा. ओके, इतलो पुरो. आनी हेजो बरो वास येता. ओके, आतां आमी प्याव मातसो भाजून घेवया. सो यू कॅन सी दीस. सो वी नीड लायक दीस. We don't want a fine powder. We want this all aroma to get it for our meat. Okay. So let's saute our onion and let's cook this. Now we will have to add little oil because my meat is without any much fats. Very less fat it is. So I'll be using this. Just keep aside. So I've taken like around half teaspoon of oil. And we'll put this. And I will put this onion. Fry this. ये तुम्ही ट्राय करात रेसिपी इजी ताका लागून सुबेज हे प्रेशर हेजेर घेवंक वेरी इजी मांस दुकराचें मांस शिजोवपाक सगळीं जाणां नोको जाल्यार म्हाजे खूब विडियो आसा तेजे हांव लिंक घालता ते मातशें तुमी पळोवन घेयात सो आय विल बी शेअरिंग द लिंक ऑफ अदर मीट which I make where I have shown you like how I do the first marination and all. Now we'll add our meat to this. And we'll add that what we cooked the meat, that little bit of around 2 tablespoons. Now I am not going to add any salt to this because already salt is there when I had marinated, but you all check and accordingly you all put this. तर हांव हिंगासर मीठ आतां आनी घालपाक ना कित्याक ऑलरेडी हेका मीठ हांवें लायलेलें आनी तें एकदम पुरें आसा सो नाव दिस टायम नाव सी द मीट इज कुक्ड सो आई डोंट हैव टू वेट फॉर एनीथिंग नाव वी विल एड दिस मसाला and let's mix this nicely. And the name of this dish, what my mother named, is green. She says always pork green. Quick, easy, tasty. I will add little bit of this, that same what we cook the meat, and put all that. I don't want to waste that where we cooked our meat. See the color? So you get that greenish color. Now we'll cover this and cook this for just for 10 minutes so that all the masalas and everything get incorporated along with the meat and the aroma and the taste. Okay, तर आता हांव एका मातशें 10 मिनटांक मातशें शिजयता आनी आमचें मांस मागीर तयार धांपून शिजयता. तेचे पयलीं आमची मिरसांग मिड्डून घालया. You can use your Kashmiri also, okay? And we'll cover this and we'll cook this for 10 minutes on medium flame. Okay, it's 10 minutes and it's done. Our meat is done. Okay, now I will just switch off the gas and I will just put this to our meat. That's it. Hope you all will enjoy this meat and do let me know how it tastes, how it is. म्हणता की तुमी सगळी ही रेसिपी तुमकां मानतेली आनी ही जावन आसा म्हाज्या मायची स्टायलीची रेसिपी ती लायक एवरी संडे आसतलें चड करून whenever she makes this, either it will be sorpotel or either it will be this green. Okay, so thanks to my mom for this recipe and yeah, देव बरें करूं तुमकां सगळ्यांक.